Health Nuts! So I used this dairy-free vegan cheese spread in my sweet potato sandwich recipe video, and many of you asked me to share the recipe of this vegan cheese spread / dip. So here it is. The basic raw ingredient here is cashew nuts. I have here 1 cup of raw cashews that I have soaked in water overnight, which makes the cashews kind of plump up and become softer and easy to blend. So this goes into my high-speed blender. Next, adding in a 1/4 cup of water. You can add more water later if required, so start with less. Next, I'm adding in 4 tablespoons of Nutritional yeast. This is the secret ingredient that many vegan cheese recipes have. This is what gives that cheesy flavor in this recipe. It's also very nutritious. It's full of vitamin B. Next goes in 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. If you don't have garlic powder, you can use 1 clove of fresh garlic as well. Next, I'm adding in some salt to taste. I'm using pink Himalayan salt here. That's it. On with the lid and blend it for just a couple of minutes. And there you go. Rich, creamy, delicious cashew cheese spread is ready. You can spread this on your sandwich or put it on a cracker or simply have it in place of a cheesy dip. This is so simple and so yum. If you're a vegan or lactose intolerant, or if you're just like me who is trying to cut down on dairy products, you must give this a try. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please do show me some support by liking, commenting and sharing this video. Also, don't forget to subscribe for more. I'll see you in my next one. Till then, stay healthy, stay happy. Bye.